In this section, you will hear 5 short extracts in which people are talking about extreme sports. Read the list of sports below, then listen to the extracts. For each question, 1 to 5, identify which sport, A to H, is being described by each speaker by marking a cross for the correct answer. If you change your mind about an answer, put a line through the box and then mark your new answer with a cross. Not all sports are described, and each sport may be used more than once. 1 mark will be awarded for each correct answer.
Question 1.
This is a great sport as long as you don't mind getting too wet and cold. Actually, if you fall out, it can be a bit miserable, but the speed and excitement make up for it, although sometimes the water's a bit rougher than you expect, especially if you hit a branch or two by mistake. For me, though, that's all part of the fun.
Question 2.
It takes a lot of skill to get there, but what I enjoy most is the feeling of satisfaction when you reach the top. It's like nothing on earth. Often, the views on the way up are just spectacular, especially if you're next to the sea. I also enjoy the challenge of working out the route.
Question 3.
You actually travel much faster than people realise, and that's why it's important to wear the right protection and to avoid this sport if it's snowy or icy. If you fall, you can really hurt yourself. On the other hand, there's nothing like working hard to perfect a certain technique. Just don't let the ground take you by surprise on those tricky jumps.
Question 4. Some people find the idea terrifying, but I find it really peaceful. I think it's the feeling of looking down over the landscape below that I enjoy most. The pace is quite gentle too. Having said that, you need to know what you're doing. Personally, I love it, but it's definitely not everybody's thing, especially if you can't stand heights. Question 5.
I still feel nervous when I put the suit on and check that my breathing apparatus works. That soon goes, though, once I'm underwater. It's amazing how much you can see, and it's a world that most people never even glimpse. I've been to some amazing locations. I don't think anything else in life ever makes me feel so happy.
Now listen again and check your answers.